The good news is, recently Garmin just released their newest Venu X1. You know what? I can't control myself. It's so similar with my Apple Watch Ultra 2. I want to test who is the king. We're going to open it and check what's inside. I hate this feeling. This feeling will cost me a lot of money. Oh, shit. Garmin's Venu X1 versus Apple Watch Ultra 2. They will be the greatest. Whew. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about Garmin's newest watch, Venu X1. Before we start, I want to tell you something. After I lost my Garmin 965, my friend lent his newest watch 970 to me. Let me test his watch first. I had a great friend. I compared the watch with Apple Watch Ultra 2 and then I ran 15K in the video. If you haven't watched that video, you can go and check. I'll leave the link here. So you can go and check after this video. I love Garmin's 970. It has the newest sensor, flashlight. Maybe it's the first time Garmin give the flashlight to the Forerunner series. I love that function. Then the skin temperature, I am crazy about it. But I didn't buy it because the price. It's beyond my budget. Later on, I tested Garmin's newest watch 570. It was not as good as I thought. No flashlight, no full functional sensor. Even it has the fifth sensor, but it's not the full functional sensor. And skin temperature, I didn't find that feature. I don't know why. Maybe time is too short. I don't know. If I have a longer time, maybe I can find the feature, but I didn't. Then the touch screen make me sad. Maybe I used the Apple Watch Ultra 2 for a long time. If I touch the weather, it will jump to the weather. If I touch to the calendar, it will jump to the calendar function. But Garmin's 570, when I touch the weather, nothing happened. When I touched the calendar, nothing happened. So I felt a little bit disappointed. Okay, I admit, I felt very disappointed. I'm using Apple Watch Ultra 2 for more than 2 years, I think. I feel there's a gap, like a Great Canyon disappointed. I hope you understand. The good news is, recently Garmin just released their newest Venu X1. You know what? Boy, I can't control myself, can't help myself to test it. Here, it's in my hand. It's so similar with my Apple Watch Ultra 2. I want to test who is the king. We're going to open it and check what's inside. Are you ready, guys? Firstly, let me take off my band. Oh, by the way, in my previous video, some friends asked me what I am wearing. It's Mi Band. I'll leave the link in the description below. If you like it, you can check. All right, guys, let's go. Check it out, Garmin. You know, when I see Garmin painted outside the box, I think this is the first time I open this watch. Now, last time when I checked Garmin's 570, I didn't see the name. So I thought maybe that's someone who found the watch, maybe. So when I see this one, I feel better. Let's open it, guys. OTG USB, very familiar. This is the receipt. I don't need this. Wow, Garmin Venu X1. Check it out, guys. Let's open it. I feel a little bit excited. I don't know why. When I open Garmin's 570, I don't have this feeling. But now, come on. I hate this feeling. This feeling will cost me a lot of money. Oh, shit. This feeling is odd, strange, weird. Garmin here, Venu X1. Let's open it. Okay. Check it out. Venu X1. Let me pull it out. It's very light, very thin. Empty box, nothing in it. Let's check what's inside. Let's check the charger, see if they're still using the same charger. I hope they changed the charging cable, you know. Okay, it doesn't matter, forget what I said. Let's enjoy the watch. It's very light. Okay, let me take off my Apple Watch Ultra 2 to compare these two. Check it out, guys. This is Apple Watch Ultra 2 and this is Garmin's Venu X1. Look at the thickness. This is the back. Apple Watch Ultra 2, Venu X1, side by side. Action button, 3 buttons, 1, 2, 3, 3 buttons. Venu X1 only has 2 buttons, 1, 2. But this one is very, very thin. You know, if Apple can release Apple Watch Ultra 3 like this thin, that will be amazing, guys. This is the front screen. Okay, let me turn it on. Wow. What do you think, guys? Is it cool? Wow, the touch screen is very smoothing, very comfortable. Just like Apple Watch Ultra 2. Look at these two watches, Garmin's Venu X1 versus Apple Watch Ultra 2. They will be the greatest, they will be the great competitor in a sports watch market, I think. Venu X1, it's so light, so comfortable. Garmin has 2 buttons and it's square. Apple Watch Ultra 2 is square and it has 3 buttons, both of them with the speed. By the way, you know what? I love the function of this Garmin's X1 because it has the torch. Long press the back button, you'll see the torchlight. In the next few days, I'm going to check Garmin's Venu X1 versus Apple Watch Ultra 2. Both of them are square. Both of them are the best, the square watch. They're the great competitors in the next few years. I'm going to test them when I run, when I sleep. I'll test everything of these 2 watches. You can subscribe and stay tuned, guys. I'll share more videos about this Venu X1. Now it's updating the software. You can check later which one is good for you. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Love you guys.